capital A. Very good. Small a. Now capital A. Good. Very good. Yeah, now B. Next page. Small a. Very good. Now capital A किया. Capital A.
कैश तो उस समय था ही नहीं ना।
Very good.
और कुछ पेमेंट मैंने खुद
Capital
से
A.
करवाया था। वो पेमेंट तुम्हारे
Make one. Very good.
16349 plus 0 plus 1780 plus 4
Here draw again. 1.
2
1. Very good. Yay.
plus 350
Kia made 1. Letter number 5. सर्कल करो. वेरी गुड. और कहाँ है 5? सर्च करो. और कहाँ है लेटर नंबर 5? सर्च करो. अपने आप सर्च करो. वेरी गुड. और कहाँ है लेटर नंबर 5? सर्च. वेरी गुड. और कहाँ है लेटर नंबर 5? सर्च करो. किया. Join the cup with plate. How to join? Very good. Bird to nest. Very good. Now lock to key. Very good. Now shoes to socks. Nice. Done. Now repeat this. Join the dots. Yes. Join the flowers. Red to red. Draw the circle. Very good किया. Now make rectangle. Yes. Yay. Well done किया. Now rub it. Erase everything. Yeah, now it's phonics time. Okay, now it's phonics time. Start with here. A says a, B says b, C says ka, D says d, E says a, F says f, G says g, H says h, I says e. है ना. J says j, K says किया. K says ka, L says l, M says N says na, O says o, P says pa,